어떻게 지냈습니까, 좀? 잘 들려요, 제
음,
목소리? 네.
네.
어떻게 왜 이렇게 오랜만에 보는 것 같죠? 우리 언제 봤죠, 마지막에? 이상하네?
음, 토요일,
아니, 기억 안 나면은 말 안 해도 괜찮습니다.
토요일이요.
네?
토요일에 봤어요.
왜 이렇게 오랜만에 보는 것 같지? 그래요. 알겠습니다. Okay, so this is for high school third year. But by the way, yeah, how are you today? Yeah, that should be the first one.
음, I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, okay, okay. And school, when's the vacation?
Um, is July
Mm-hmm.
18.
July 18th. Okay, I see. And how was your day? Tell me about your day a little, just briefly.
Uh, yes, in the school I prepare
Oh,
PPT
okay.
for 발표가 영어로 뭐예요?
I would say presentation.
For presentation.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Is it like group homework?
No.
No, it's just for yourself then. Okay. So how long should that be?
I use my time a lot for I use my time a lot for that presentation.
You mean preparing it or doing the actual presentation stuff? Which one are you referring to now?
I'm preparing.
You mean okay, okay, okay. You spent a lot of time preparing the presentation then. Is that right?
Yes.
So I actually my question was how long should that be? Means like you go on a stage in front of like the crowd, and then you need to talk about something you prepared, right? And then I asked you how long that should be. How long is it? How much time do you have for the presentation? I mean, when you go on the stage and talk to the crowd, and how much time do you need to speak to them?
I must complete my presentation
Hmm.
on Thursday.
You mean by Thursday? But I'm not talking about preparing it. I'm talking about the real game. You go on the stage and then you speak in front of other people. And how long will you talk in front of other people? That's my question.
빠, 약,
Ab-
약이 영어로 뭐죠?
that's about About. Okay, that's about. Hey, oh yeah. So how long?
About 4 to 5 minutes.
4 to 5 minutes. Okay. And what is your topic for the presentation?
Um, 너무 어려운데.
Okay. Can you just try?
If 온도가 영어로 뭔가요?
Temperature. Temperature. Temperature.
If temperature up
Hmm.
1 to 6,
Hmm.
what happens?
Oh, are you talking about global temperature?
Yes.
Okay. That could be difficult. All right. Topic is uh, what happens when global temperature increase up to 5 to 6 degrees Celsius. What happens when global temperature increases up to 5 to 6 degrees Celsius? What happens when global temperature increases up to 5 to 6 degrees Celsius? But the thing is, if I put the question mark here, then it's going to be question. But then if I don't do that, then it's not a question. So you can comprehend it to two different sentences. One is, okay. That can be a question. That can be a sentence. 왜냐하면 what 같은 경우에는 주어를 바로 물어볼 수 있는 의문사이기 때문에 후와 같이 그래서 문장이 이렇게 해서 물음표가 들어가면 의문문이 되는 거고 이렇게 해서 물음표가 안 들어가면 의문사절이 됩니다. 그래서 해석이 두 개예요. 여기 물음표가 있냐 없냐로 구분됩니다. 듣거나 말할 때는 구분 안 되죠. 그래서 이렇게 말하는 거예요. 그때는 지구의 온도가 섭씨 5도에서 6도 정도 상승하면 정도는 아니고 6도 상승하면 일어나는 일이라고 명사 형태로 정리됩니다. 왓절이잖아요, 그냥 쭉. 오케이, interesting. 오케이.
My subject is can I speak in Korean?
Oh well, first can you try in English, and then if you can't, then let's speak in Korean.
이거를 좀 이용해서 What happens when global temperature increase up to 1 to up to 1 to 6 each
Each year.
What each happens when global temperature increase up to 1 to 6 degrees Celsius.
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 But I didn't understand. I'm sorry.
지구의 온도가 1도에서 6도 상승할 때 각각 일어나는 일들.
Uh-huh.
1도에서는 뭐가 일어나고 2도에서는 뭐가 일어나고.
I see. Okay. But I don't know how to make the sentence in English. I'm sorry. But in Korean, it might not be. I can't make it in Korean either. I must make a few more sentences to explain that. Uh-huh. That's really interesting. Can you just tell me first? I want to know. What happens when it increases 1 degree Celsius? What happens?
I didn't prepare
Uh-huh.
perfect. I use this book.
Yeah, sure, please. Oh, there's a book.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's certainly something that we want to talk about, like think about. We must think about it. And also, I want to know if, all that matters is that the sea water, the temperature of the sea water, and it increases. And also, I wonder what happens to if Japan release the water, and is it hotter than other kind of water? Isn't it? I'm not sure. Okay, you tell me. 1 degree Celsius increase, then what happens?
If 1 degrees um
Celsius.
temperature Celsius,
Uh huh.
90% 미치겠네 이거. 그
Try it. It's
산호초가
okay.
영어로 뭐지?
Oh, this coral.
산호초?
I think coral. This one.
Coral reef.
Okay.
Coral reef.
I'll put it right there. Yes.
90% of coral deaths and start. 너무 어려운데 이거.
Try. We can make it. Okay. Wait. You know what? The reason why this is difficult is because you haven't done it so far enough. Then now you do. Then coral reef. Okay, that's what they say. Coral reef. Coral reef. Let's make it easy. Let's make it easy. That's what we do. Okay. Then now what you want to say is if coral 90% 90% 90% of coral reef will die if the global temperature increase 1 degree Celsius. 90% of coral reef will die if the global temperature increases 1 degree Celsius. Okay. Really? And then what happens? It's like chain reaction. Then what happens?
And 가뭄과 홍수가 시작된다.
가뭄. How do I say it? 홍수 is flood. It's not past. Drought, yes. Yeah, right. And is that because of the coral reef that died? Does it have something to do with the coral reef?
Can you tell me again?
Okay, I will. I'm asking you, does it have something to do with the coral reef? Does it have something to do with the coral reef? That's my question. You said 90% of the coral reef will die, and you also said it will be drought and also floods. And I'm asking you, does it have something to do with the coral reef?
No, but
It's another one. Okay.
global temperature
Mm-hmm.
up is very big problem.
Mm-hmm.
So it can affect all of the Earth.
I see. Okay, so that's what happens when it increases 1 degree Celsius. Okay, and is there anything else?
Yes.
Okay, what do you have?
Uh, if
Mm-hmm.
음, 네, 근데 이거 계속 말할 수도 있는데 너무 길어져가지고
It's actually writing ability. Speaking ability is linked to the writing ability. But if you want to improve your reading ability, then probably you can just stop here. But actually, I was really interested in that topic. And let's talk about 6 then. What happens?
음,
Do you all die?
6
Uh-huh.
or that.
Seriously?
Yes, don't need to tell or he said
Oh,
all the biosic
uh-huh.
in the Earth
Uh-huh.
be dead
Why?
because 그 남,
North Pole? South Pole?
South Pole and North
Yeah.
Pole
Uh-huh.
or disappear.
You mean the iceberg will melt?
Yes, or melt
Uh-huh.
the 왜 이렇게 어려운 단어만 많이 나오는 거야?
It's because you haven't talked about it in English. That's why. Like it's the same thing. I watch movie. I understand. I don't need subtitle, but I watch some war movie or scientific movie. I can't understand. And I talked about it with my foreign friends, like Big Bang Theory. Do you know Big Bang Theory? It's an American TV show, and this has something to do with some like rocket science and all the like genius. And I told my friends, when I watched this Big Bang Theory American TV show, I don't understand. Then they said, oh, I don't understand either. It's just because of the vocabulary. Okay, iceberg melt, and then what happens? Okay, you know what? Let's check it out. What happens when all the iceberg melt? Okay. And what actually happens? I'm not sure. I can probably read it, but I just want to see how much the water level will be. Will Korea be underwater too?
Yes.
If it that melts and then everything is on the water, is that right?
Yes.
I didn't know.
there will be any ice on the earth.
You mean there will be no ice on in the earth?
Yes, anywhere.
Oh. Okay.
Line will be 그 증발하다.
Vaporized.
Will be vaporized
What what
before
what what will be? You mean the ice or what?
rain.
The rain.
Rains will be vaporized
Uh-huh.
before drop on bottom.
That means water level will not increase. Wait a second. Wait a second. So, okay,
No,
water needs to be vaporized, and then it goes up to form clouds, and then it comes down later as a rain. But then there will
yes.
be no process just like that. Is that right?
If rain down
Oh,
before before
uh-huh. Before it falls, before it touches the ground.
touches ground,
Uh-huh.
it can touches ground and
Because it will be vaporized.
yes,
Wouldn't that be better? Because you said 6 degrees Celsius increase, then the iceberg will melt, and then there will be no land for people. And so what I'm thinking is probably water. We wouldn't need more water because we have too much, and then this will just engulf us, and this will kill us. So that's why what I'm thinking is if the weather is too hot, then maybe it will vaporize, and then it goes up, then it doesn't come down. Then wouldn't that be better for us?
너그달 형이
아니 그게
맞는데
그니까 아이스버그가 다 녹아서 지면이 해수면이 높아져서 뭐야 사람 살 곳이 없어지면은 비가 그 올라가는 거 올라갈 거 아니에요 수증기가 이렇게 그 구름이 형성되고 이게 떨어지는데 내려올 때 이게 다 아예 다시 증발돼서 올라간다는 얘기잖아요.
아예 떨어지지 않는.
그러면은 위에 계속 물을 머금고 물은 그럼 어디로 가는 거예요 계속?
그냥 계속 그것까지는 정확히는 모르겠는데 저도 책 보고 자료 조사해서 하는 거라서
어...
이제 물이 계속 떨어졌다 올라갔다만 하겠죠. 밑으로는 아예 흡수가 되지 않고. 그럼 이제 저희가 쓸 수
음...
있는 그 무슨 물이라고 해야 되지 이거? 옛날에 알았던 것 같은데 어쨌든 쓸 수 있는 물이 아예 없어지는 거죠.
Then what about iceberg? We can't use it?
아이스
Because iceberg melt and we have so much water now. Then how do we not? Is it because it's the seawater? But then even if we
if
have the
we're
seawater, the technology can make it into the some kind of like drinkable water. No?
uh if fixed temperature or global temperature
Hmm.
up to 6
Hmm.
then less uh it can fire
Mm-hmm.
automatically
You
anywhere.
mean like forest? Oh, I see. Oh, just like
자연 발광.
the magnifier, and the sunlight.
Yes.
Oh, so it's because sunlight is not that hot. Oh, okay, okay, I understand. So all the forest will catch fire, and okay, that happens. Just only 6 degrees? Are you serious? But like in my room, it's actually now 25 degrees because I turn on the air conditioner here, and normally it is 27. Oh, right. Even if I try my best, I can drop down until like only 2 degrees. No, no, it's not right. I don't know. Anyways, okay. When will that happen?
Um,
When did author
uh,
say that would happen?
I think it come to on 두 개씩 띄어있지 이 정도는
Sorry, what?
2090.
2090. Oh, 2090. Okay. 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 So, okay, now no more the global warming talk, and now we talk about other things. Okay, now we talk about the PPT, the presentation. How do you do it? Do you make it?
No, I will make tomorrow.
Okay, I mean, do you make it? So, which means, will you make it for the class later? Do you need to use the computer and the screen maybe?
I will take this notebook.
Uh huh. I see. Okay. So, how do you make the presentation file then?
I will use mini canvas.
Mini canvas? Is this the right one? Mini canvas?
Yes.
I see. Is it AI technology?
It is similar with PowerPoint.
I see. But what I'm thinking is, do you know, actually, maybe I can show you YouTube. AI PowerPoint. This is what I'm talking about. This is a Microsoft, I think, Microsoft PowerPoint AI program. No, maybe I just do it with Elon Musk, Tesla. I think I saw somewhere. Where did I see it? Okay, wait. Make Tesla PowerPoint with Microsoft AI. Microsoft 365 AI technology. I think I saw somewhere. Is it this one? Maybe this? Not this. I'm sorry. I can't find it. But there was some kind of system that you just type whatever you want and then it makes it for you. I remember this was Microsoft 365 Copilot system, but then. So do you not use Microsoft AI technology? Do you not?
Yes, but I use ChatGPT.
You do. Okay. Do you use ChatGPT in Korean?
Yes.
I think ChatGPT in Korean is terrible. But okay, yeah, this one. Look at that. See, this is what I'm talking about. What web is it? This is Copilot. Look at that. And this is not Copilot. This is Gamma, like GAMMA. That website. He just wrote a few things here, and then it makes the PowerPoint like this. So that's what I'm talking about. Like, I don't know. You already use ChatGPT for your script. Then why wouldn't you use this? So Tesla 기업 분석 presentation, and then what? Like something like this, or maybe you can even ask ChatGPT to make great KO. What is KO? Like contents for your writing.
I think that
Sorry?
technology is very innovatory.
Innovatory? What do you mean innovatory?
혁신적인?
Innovative. See, this making now. Look at that. You don't even need to write anything down. It just make it for you. So it probably already know about the book you're reading now, and then maybe you can just write. What's the name of the book?
이건 한국말로 해야겠어요.
Yeah, please.
최종 경고 육도의 멸종.
최종 경고 6도
의 멸종.
멸종. Of course, you know what? I'm pretty sure this is not Korean book. Maybe somebody else wrote it. What do you think?
Yes.
Is it Korean book? Whose book is it?
Just
Who's the author?
Mark Reiner.
Mark Reiners, okay. Mark Liners. Maybe I was wrong. Okay, let me. You can find the name of the book, and then maybe you can just ask this AI, make a PowerPoint for, and give it the book's name. Then it will make it all. Look at that, it's crazy.
Here,
I'll
use
just
AI
give-
program.
Well, so what did you mean?
Here, use AI program is personal ability,
Huh.
and now I think
Huh.
it is very important personal ability on
You just need to make sure two things. One thing that you use ChatGPT or whatever AI program that is, you use it, and then you make better result, and then make sure when you don't use it, you still have that ability, but just take more time. So it's about you have that ability or not have the ability. That's how it matters. So let's say I use ChatGPT, and then sometimes I generate some sentences with ChatGPT. Why? It's because creativity is about information, and I lack it. ChatGPT has infinite creativity. So I ask ChatGPT, make sample sentences using PowerPoint, and it will come up with like hundreds and thousands of sentences, but I can't do that. People can't do it. So it enhances my speed of work. But so the next question is, can I not do it what ChatGPT does? I can do it, but it takes time. So what I use it for is that I try to reduce my work time. So that's why I use ChatGPT. But if you use ChatGPT and then you try to do what you can't do, that it shouldn't happen. It's because you do things, then you learn things, and then it becomes yours. But if you don't do it, but you just outsource it, then ChatGPT will be smarter, not you. So think about it. Yeah, think carefully. It's okay. Let's freaking make it. Let's try it then. Why not? Gamma. Okay, let's go. It's right here. And then what can I do? Sign off for free. So how much is it? Generate. Okay, I want to do it. So, first things first, we need to find the English name of the book. That's it. Okay, I'll break the room and I'll re-invite you. Let's work smart.